Assalamu alaikum. Welcome with Alchemy YouTube channel. I am Muhammad Faisal. Hope you are all well. Today I have good news for all of them who are preparing for competitive exams like MCAT, ECAT. I'm going to launch MCQ series in which the solution of MCQs related to the chemistry will be uploaded. Initially, I started by posting MCQs in a community section, but later I decided to upload the MCQs in video format. So I think this is more appropriate way to understand. So like, share with others and subscribe Alchemy for more update. See you in the next video. Thank you.